Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Alright, in this particular video we are going to be discussing the moving average mirror indicator. Okay, it is a powerful trend following indicator that is designed to provide clear buy and sell signals. It is a custom indicator, so you will need to download it from an external source and then add it to your indicators library for the MetaTrader platform. So I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away because I have already downloaded the indicator, so I'm just going to add it. This is the MA mirror indicator. So as you can see my chart, this is how the indicator looks like. Alright, this is how the indicator looks like. The indicator tracks the crossover of a moving average and its mirrored counterpart. Alright, it tracks the crossover of a moving average and its mirrored counterpart. Because of that, it offers precise entry and exit points for your trades. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator can help you to simplify trend analysis and help you to identify good opportunities. All right. So let us look at practical examples of how to make use of this indicator. All right. So now you can see that the indicator is made up of two lines, right? We have the moving period and the moving shift. Okay, you can see moving period value 20.0, moving shift 0.0. We have those are the two inputs, right? And then we have just those two lines, right? Those are the two lines that give us signals. Okay, so this particular indicator is different from the regular oscillator that you know. Okay, this indicator, when you have uh, the lines inter crossing each other or crossing over each other, it can show a shift in momentum. All right, it can show a shift in momentum. Okay, let us look at some historical examples, right? So as you can see, whenever you have the blue line rise up and starts coming down, when you have the blue line rise up and start coming down, it can show a bullish incoming trend, an incoming bullish trend. All right, as we can see here, this is one example, right? When the blue line goes up and begins to come down, it's an incoming bullish trend, right? And we can see there was a bullish trend right afterwards. Now let us look at another example. You can see here again, when you have the blue line go up and begin to come down, it represents an incoming bullish move, right? Let's look at another example. Here again, it happened when you have the blue line go up and starts to come down, it represents an incoming bullish move. Let us look at another example. Same thing happened here again, an incoming bullish move. Same thing happened here again, an incoming bullish move. Same thing happened here again, an incoming bullish move. So, and before you enter your buy trade, the blue line and the red line should be opposite each other. All right. When you have both of them beginning to cross over each other, it shows that there is a change in momentum. All right. For example, let us look for a clear example. Here we had the red line upwards. The red line was upwards, right? When the red line is above and coming down, it shows a sell, incoming sell. All right. While the blue line upwards and coming down shows incoming buy, the red line upwards and coming down shows incoming sell. Okay. So when both of them cross each other, it shows that the momentum is changing. All right. But you will not get a buy signal yet until the blue line rises up. This crossover that happened here is just showing that the momentum is changing gradually, all right, until the blue line finally gets up and the red line finally gets down. Then when the blue line begins to come down, you have a buy move, all right. And in the case of a sell, when the blue line and the red line crosses each other and then the red line begins to climb up, and when it finally climbs up and starts coming down, it shows an incoming sell, all right. It shows an incoming sell. In this case, the sell did not last long before there was a breakout. All right. Okay. But ideally, when the red line crosses and goes up and starts coming down, it shows an incoming sell move. So basically, that is how to use this indicator. So if you want to identify buy and sell signals, what you should be watching out for is which of these lines is on top. Which of the lines are on top, and the line should get to the uppermost part. It may not touch the boundary, it doesn't have to touch the boundary, but at least it should get to a high level and start to come down, and there you have your signal. So if it is the red line that is above that gets up and starts coming down, it's a sell signal. If it's the blue line that is above and starts coming down, it's a buy signal. So basically, that is how to interpret the indicator in an easy way. All right. So once you have gotten your buy signal, after you enter, for example, let us look for a bullish trend. After you enter the buy trade, make sure you have confirmed your buy trade first. After you've entered your buy trade, you can use other indicators for confirmation, and make sure you pay attention to chart patterns and candlestick patterns as well. After you've entered your buy trade, you can set your stop loss just below the swing low, and then for your take profit, you can target resistance zones. All right, you can target resistance zones, or you can wait for the MA mirror indicator to give you an exit signal, and the reverse signal is your exit signal. For example, the sell signal is your exit signal for a buy trade, and the buy signal is your exit signal for a sell trade. All right, you can decide to exit that way as well, or you can use resistance levels to exit your buy trade. You can use support levels to exit your sell trade. So basically, that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.